Guys, so in this video, I'm gonna eat a gold Supreme DOMINOS pizza. Okay,
it's edible. He'll eat it.
so this is the gold. It's called Kono.
They think you're actually gonna eat like a pizza.
Can you record? Because I don't know where she's recording. Yeah. So I'm gonna put it on the pizza. They're a lot smaller than I thought. So. See, look.
What the hell?
Oh, this fell apart.
No.
This is gold.
It's gold. That doesn't look good.
So we're gonna it's falling apart. So.
Give me some bread. She wants a piece of bread.
Can you take a thumbnail maybe like this with my face?
How?
Maybe like get as much as a gold.
But how do I take the thumbnail? I pause it.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take a close up of the pizza so you can see the gold because it's not a lot as I thought. Okay, so let's try it out.
Does it taste like a grill? Sophie, did you bring the Pokemon cards? I'm ready to buy them.